We've got Woody, Rob, and fuck. Oh, motherfucker! Dickhead! Yeah, don't play with him. That's one line of advice. Okay, I like being in this position because it allows me to rapidly shoot people like Nick when they try and sneak up against me.
Alright.
Favourite?
Probably that.
My favourite position is literally just being in the field shooting shit.
Oh! Yes! Cover your ears, Nick. What the fuck was that?
It doesn't actually hurt that much because I've got claw gear pants. It's working. Very good.
On the floor. You put me on the floor. Put it on the floor. Okay, then.
Ball, the winner. The prize for the winner is. Everyone give it!
Grenade! Oh shit, we're all dead. Hit!
So given the distraction of the smoke, I'm now going to run in and I'm going to take them all out.
Get down, son! Medic! Clear it!
And X! You'll agree with us that it's the right kit for you.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. I've been Matt. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then perhaps subscribe to a different YouTube channel. But if you like what we do, comment, like, share below. Thanks.